You had to get out of that bag. You want to get out? I don't think you do. Max? No. See, if you wanted out, you'd get out. Anyway, put the holes in it so he's not going to suffocate you now. Hi. There you are. Kitty. Yeah, silly kitty. Whoa. Okay, come on. Frodo, get out of there. You look mean right now. Why do you look so mean?